So with the sewer line plugged up,
The sewer line plugged up.
I think that it's, without looking, I don't know. I think it's overflowing, going into the sump pit.
Okay.
The sump pit pumps it out in that white pipe right there, and I think that's pumping it to here.
Oh.
So that's what I think.
Okay.
We'll know more here in a minute. As soon as we get in the basement, I can tell you 100%.
Okay, sounds good.
All right, I'll get the line.